So, I have the budgie. I brought him home. Wow. What a ride for the budgie. Must have been a very big adventure for a very small bird. I'm a little worried. I was a little worried because I asked my coworker to bring him in a shoebox with a towel underneath it to insulate a little bit because, you know, it's been very cold in the mornings. But she couldn't find one. She didn't tell me this until this morning. She couldn't find one, so she just got a blanket and wrapped it around the birdcage. And this morning was rather cold, so I'm a little worried about that. But he was pretty lively. He wasn't happy to see me. He's got the traditional Budgerigar skittishness. He bit me a couple times, but I have taken harder bites from bigger beaks, so wasn't quite effective. But he was making some sounds on the subway home. And when I cracked the box the second time to take a peek, he was like right there immediately and like clamoring to get out. So I have stopped up the door. Well, I've closed the door. I've stopped up the hole in my wall through which Emma gets in because I don't want them to meet quite yet. There's time for that. But here's Mr. Budgie. I don't know his name yet. Oh! Can you hear that? He doesn't want to whistle back at me. He's mad at me. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh. So he's excited. He's not thrilled with me, I don't imagine. He's biting me. Oh. Oh. Here he is. Okay. I'll limit manual contact a bit. Come in here. That was actually a lot smoother than I thought it was going to go. So I'm just going to put some birdseed in here, and you guys can look at him while he adjusts to his settings and figures out what the hell is going on. Thinks he's been taken to like a SHIELD facility. Random Budgie, I'd like to tell you about the Avengers Initiative. Funny story about this guy, well, weird story. He is a rescue in the most basic sense of the word, in that my coworker's husband rescued him from being bullied by pigeons on the street. Just randomly, he was just a little budgie on the street. He's calming down a little bit, huh? Look at him. That was fast. I might have misjudged him before. I thought he was kind of like sickly or weak or whatever. But he actually looks a little bit lively. Are you hungry? Here. Yeah, he's not exactly secure. But we have time to work on that. We're going to work on that. Right? Yes? Oh, I can't switch the camera thing.